Welcome back, car lovers. When it comes to commanding the road with presence and power, one name stands tall: Mitsubishi Pajero. And now, the 2025 model is here with bold design, advanced tech, and unstoppable performance. This is the black beast that blends luxury with rugged strength. The 2025 Pajero makes a stunning first impression. A muscular front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a dominating look. And in black color, it looks more aggressive and premium than ever, a true luxury SUV with attitude. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine producing around 181 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it's built to conquer highways, mountains, and everything in between. Inside, the Pajero offers a premium experience with leather seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and more. Safety is also top-notch with 7 airbags, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Expected to launch globally by mid-2025, starting with Japan and Australia. The base price is expected around $42,000 USD, while the top variants could reach up to $50,000 depending on features and trims. So, if you're looking for a powerful, luxurious, and dependable SUV, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero might be your perfect choice. What do you think about this beast? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.